What is it? Maybe this is very old garage. Let's go together. Friends, let's go. Look at this! What I find! I find a giant box Doritos, but it's empty! Friends, I have a nice idea! Go! Let's make together chips! We need powder, water, salt and pepper, and shake this.
Go!
We need 5 minutes. Friends, go to the grill. Oh no! Unicorn family!
It's so fluffy!
We need 5 minutes. We find the unicorn family. Great! Let's go eat this!
Wow!
Very nice! Really giant cheap Doritos tacos! Wow! Let's taste this! Subscribe to my channel and watch my next video.